All right, so off camera, I've added some bars to the underside of this thing. I was welding upside down. I didn't really want to film while I was doing that, but this is what all the floor is going to attach to, basically. So I added that bar below, added this bar, added the center guy. So before we put the treehouse on, I figured it would probably be smart to get all the sheet metal cut out and attached to the floor. And then we'll worry about covering all this stuff and then eventually the tailgate once the treehouse is on. So that way I won't have to take it on and off a bunch of different times. It'll be kind of hopefully go on and stay on. That's the idea at least. So anyway, in this video, we're gonna get the floor knocked out and see what else we get into. Real close. You get the point. We're gonna put you on a time lapse. I had my first boo-boo. I wasn't thinking when I cut out this this piece of metal here. I meant to make this the whole way across so there wasn't a gap here because I wanted this to kind of be like a storage box area to have this as a divider. So, missed that. It's okay, I'll just have to do it like I was gonna do these pieces anyway. So basically it'll attach to the underside of here and on top of this piece here because that is a different plane. So we'll just do it the same way like that. No big deal. But yeah. So far, I'm doing pretty good as far as messing up. My design's kind of working out pretty okay, the one I have in my head. All right, continuing on, we got a little bit more sheet metal to do. We got to do that front piece there. I could probably get closer and show you. Got to close this off. Got to close these off. And then we're going to blast through all these. I might just go ahead and do that off camera so I can just knock it out because it's not very interesting. And then we'll put the treehouse on it. I'll catch back up with you. All right, we got most of the sheet metal work done at this point. It's all covered. I may slightly be relying on seam sealer a little heavier in some areas than I normally would like to, but I think it's going to be okay. So from here, I think it's time to get the treehouse on it and then finish up the sheet metal that's going to go around the perimeter because I'm going to kind of tie that into the 1x1 that goes across that. So it's treehouse time. I'm going to see if I can find some help to get that thing on. Well, I'm an idiot. I forgot to film. But we got her on there. And I'm very excited that my measurements worked out really good. It's perfect. Yes. Also, thank you, Dad, for coming over and helping out. So anyway, so I guess the next, this is where I'm going to end off this video. We still got some work to do, but I feel like this one's probably long enough. We made some pretty good progress. We got a lot of the base finished up. Now we just got to do a little bit more sheet metal and then a lot of final assembly stuff. And obviously, because this is already kind of put together, we're not going to powder coat this thing. We're probably going to roll on some Rust-Oleum and protect it that way. But yeah, man, This is gonna be sweet. Not near as high as what it used to be as far as the truck bed goes, but we didn't want it to be too high when we're towing it with a car. So pretty much for me, I'm almost 6 foot, like I'm right there. And it's pretty much just above eye level for me. So I think that's a good height. But yeah, I'm gonna end it off here. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all that bullshit. Goodbye.